Hi, Angie here. I'm looking for a good place to put the bird feeder next. I'm out here by the ditch, if you can see it. It's empty, but it'll be flowing in about a month or so, and we need to get the bird feeder up on a pole. Keep the skunks and raccoons out of it and everything. So I'm out here looking for a good spot. Lots of shrub. But I think if we prop the bird feeder up here, kind of where I'm standing, and then try to give you a view of the flowing water once it comes. Can you see all the holes? Like gophers. Or I don't know. Crazy. I'll show you this way. Over here might work, but I don't know, not enough view of the water maybe. Here's the bridge going over. Right around here might work. That's a pretty good view of the ditch through the shrubs. We're back here facing under the bridge. I don't know, I kind of like the first spot the best so far. And then I have to watch for scorpions. I've already been stung by a scorpion. Anyway, this is an awesome place where the ditch is open. You'd be able to see the water coming down. But it is coming into the neighbor's yard. This is the edge of my yard over here at that bridge. This is our bridge here. So a view that way might work of the flowing water. And then have the bird feeder up on a pole. But I like that nook on the other side.